Now, the Indian national capital, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, is in a big tussle with India's anti-money laundering agency, the Enforcement Directorate.
Now, the ED is asking Kejriwal to appear before the agency for a probe that's linked to an alleged scam. But Kejriwal has refused to appear. He has skipped 7 ED summons so far, and an 8th summon has been issued by the ED. He's repeatedly called the summons illegal.
Well, the ED is investigating the Delhi Chief Minister and the Aam Aadmi Party chief in the case related to the now scrapped Delhi excise policy. The investigation relates to the Delhi liquor sales policy introduced in 2021, in which allegations were made against the Delhi government around corruption and favoritism in granting of licenses. It introduced private players in the market, marking the exit of government-owned liquor vendors. The Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI, contends that these private players were involved in framing the excise policy, which would have brought them huge profit.
Kejriwal has not been named as an accused in the case in which 3 Aam Aadmi Party leaders, that is Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh and Satyendra Jain, have been put behind the bars. But ED seeks to probe Kejriwal. He has, as I mentioned earlier as well, skipped 7 summons so far. These are the dates that the ED had asked him to appear before the agency. Kejriwal has been skipping the summons, saying that the probe is politically motivated.
Now, due to Kejriwal's constant reluctance, the ED had filed a complaint before a special court judge seeking directions for him to appear. Kejriwal says he will only obey the court order and not appear before the agency until then. But of course, ED summons are not refused generally, and if so, how many times can one refuse them? Well, technically, ED summons are not skipped. As per the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, all persons summoned shall be, quote-unquote, bound to attend in person or through authorized agents.
So whether 1 or 2 or any number of times, if anybody has in fact skipped ED summons, he or she is under non-compliance of the Act. So what are the repercussions then? That's the next question. The ED can either take one of these 2 actions. The probe agency can seek a non-bailable warrant from a court. If the person ignores the warrant as well, he or she can then be arrested and brought before the court. After the Delhi CM skipped 3rd summon, that was back in January, some Aam Aadmi Party leaders raised alarm that he would be arrested.
However, the central agency had then refuted the claims and had said they will go ahead with issuing fresh summons.